Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to share this video my full service mentoring program that's designed to fast track your success to start your own tax preparation business. So that's what I specialize in helping individuals do. People who are ready now to go to the next level, decide working for a tax firm to start their own tax preparation business, because they understand that the financial potential of working for a company versus having your own business as well as that. So you want to transition from working for a firm to starting your own. My mentorship program is definitely designed to help you make that happen. And if you're a person looking for a career and a business all wrapped into one, the tax preparation industry is a career industry in itself, and it's definitely something you can come into, get the skill, get the knowledge, and start your own tax business with. But you want to do that with someone who's already been there and done that, who has the experience, the knowledge, the training, the insight, the real world do's and don'ts of what it needs to happen inside your business. And so that's why you want to be willing to invest in someone's mentorship, coaching, or consulting program that's designed to do that. And so right now you're looking on the screen at my 12-week tax preparation training course that you'll go through from the online version standpoint. So everything that we're doing that I used to do from a classroom setting, I had to switch it over to the online setting. So what you're looking at now is a 12-week course that I walk you through. We do 2 live trainings to go over the information that you should have been studying during the week, to make sure you're learning correctly, interpreting correctly, filling out the form correctly, understanding the basic knowledge and tax rules correctly and things of that nature is what the 2 weeks of live training is designed to help get done. So when it comes to my mentorship program, I'm doing a special right now for 3 days only. The 10th, the 11th, and the 12th. My original price is $1,197. I'm taking off $500 and turning it into $1,497. And I got a payment plan option of 4 months for $375. And so all that will be in the description of the video. There's only a 3-day special. After that, it goes back up to $1,997. So this is a limited time offer, limited time special. And so if you're serious about getting started right now and position yourself to start making money and having your own tax preparation business for the 2020 season, which starts in January of 2021, it's the time to take action. You know what I'm saying? We got all of September, October, November, December, and January to get you ready. And we can make it happen if you're serious, if you're going to be determined, focused, you're going to not let excuses in life and things get in the way of you making this happen for yourself. With my leadership, with my skills, with my knowledge, and with my guidance, I can help you make it happen for yourself. But you got to be ready. In your heart, you got to already know that you're not going to procrastinate, you're not going to BS yourself, that you're going to make this financial investment into my mentorship program that's designed to help you to start a career and a business all at the same time through my full service mentorship program that's designed to help you to get the results you can't get on your own. And so that's why you want to have the mindset to understand that, hey, I'm trying to get somewhere in my life. I want to be something when I grow up. And it takes action. It takes investment of time and money and resources to make those things happen for yourself. But if you're not willing to invest in yourself, then you just know you'll never become what you want to become for yourself in life, because you decided that what you wanted wasn't worth the investment to go get it. And that's the reality of it all. But right here, the 12-week course is what I walk you through. I send you through emails, the training lessons every week. Every week it represents every lesson represents a week. And so every week you'll get a lesson plan with the information emailed to you, and you'll get 2 different options. It's designed for you to print out the forms you needed to fill them out to learn how to do taxes. But at the same time, if you're part of my mentorship program, I use Drake software. So you get access to Drake software, where you get to use the Drake software, where it's going to help you to learn how to do taxes in the process of that, as well as Adobe Acrobat Reader, where you can import the forms over from Irish.gov and fill them out by hand and still learn how to do them by hand as a result of using an electronic version of the forms. So those are the couple of ways that you're going to be able to learn how to do basic tax preparation by working online with me. You must have a printer, laptop or desktop only. You must have it password protected all the way on either device you're going to use or both. when it comes to tax preparation. So much involved in having your own tax preparation business that you want to connect with someone who definitely knows their business and can definitely help you to make it happen for yourself. But you got to be willing to understand that where I'm trying to go in my life, where I'm trying to be in my life, if it's something that's real and it's something sincere for you and something that you really want to make happen, you got to really be the one to say, I got to be proactive in making that happen. I've been doing my research. I've come on YouTube. I found some people that I think I might be able to work with who might have the program that I need to help me to get where I want to go. And now it's time to go through those options of who you might want to work with and make a selection on who you want to make the mentor that's going to allow you to start your tax preparation business and get started. Because if you wait a whole nother year, it's a good chance you'll never do it. Because every year life going to show up. Every time things going to happen where you just not going to take action because you're going to have all these different reasons and excuses not to. And that's the reality of what happens when we procrastinate when it comes to something we claim we want to do in our lives, as far as having a career and having a business. We must be willing to take action right then and there and make it happen. And then I understand doing your research, doing your due diligence, going out here and Googling how to start your own tax preparation business, how to start your own tax firm. You know, if you use Google going to give you a list of results. You got to click on each link to see what information they're talking about. And majority of those, there's going to be some how-to informational steps that you got to still go out and implement on your own by yourself and try to get the results you need to get in making it happen. You know, but the fast track to success is to connect with someone like myself who has a mentorship program designed for you to get started, to help fast track your success, to help you be able to get the results you can never get on your own by yourself because you're not qualified to do that. And so the smart person who truly wants a career and a business all in one will do their due diligence for us, going out researching online to find the right person for them that they can work with, who has their best interest at heart and a hard desire to see you be successful. Because see, when you're successful, I'm successful. You know, so I get to leverage your success inside of my mentorship program by letting them know these are the students I have, these are the results they're getting, these are the things they're able to accomplish by working with me. So it's just my best interest to help you to be successful because I'm a successful tax owner myself, so I want you to be successful right along with me. And so that's my true heart's desire for you to be successful in business, no matter what you choose to do. But I specialize in tax preparation, and so I want you to be successful in the field you say you want to be a part of. And so if you're the person who wants to start your own tax preparation business, but for whatever reason you have no prior knowledge, skills, or training, but if you decide this is the industry and this is the career you want to make for yourself, then connect with me. Call me up. I leave my contact information inside the description of the videos every time. So reach out to me, talk to me, let me show you what that looks like. Let me show you what it's going to be like. Even though I'm doing a 4-day workshop that's free starting next week on the 16th through the 20th, you know, get with me now, find out what's happening with me now, get some of this information that I can give you now so you can make a decision if you want to get started now or you're going to procrastinate again and again and again and again, because I got people that I'm working with right now, which happen to be all women, and I'm helping them to get somewhere, you know what I'm saying? And they grateful to be able to connect with someone who has their best interest at heart. They're grateful to be able to connect with someone who knows their stuff, who can help them to start their own tax preparation business the right way, the correct way, learn the skills, get the knowledge, take their business to a whole other level. Because the training I give them that I have in me, it supersedes just learning how to prepare a tax return. It's so much to running and operating a business that I'm able to help you learn and get that makes my mentorship program priceless in itself. So the money you're going to invest in yourself by investing in my program, you're going to get the return on your investment the first year you use it, unless you quit. That's the only way you ain't going to make the money. If you just don't take action, then you won't get the results you need to get. But if you take action, you go get it, you determine, you focus, you're going to do everything it takes to be successful inside your business with my leadership and guidance and training, then the sky's is the limit on what type of income you can produce. You know, I made $40,000 in my first season, and I had to tell people for legal reasons all results are not typical. The average person not going to make $40,000, but I can tell you it's possible because I did it. And so if I did it, you can do it. You just have to be the focused and determined individual who's going to do everything I suggest you do that's going to allow you to position yourself to make that type of money is the key to that. A lot of times we don't get the type of results we want to have for ourselves because we're not willing to do what it's going to take to get those results for ourselves. And that's the true facts. This is not rocket science. It's just keeping it real, keeping it simple, keeping it truthful, that you got to be the person willing to go out here and make it happen for yourself. I'm going to be your guide. I'm going to be your tour guide when it comes to operating and starting your business. But if you don't take the suggestions I give you, if you don't master the training and the knowledge that's going to be needed to be successful in this industry, then just understand that the type of income you're going to make will never be what you truly want to get to, because you never truly went all in when it came to this tax preparation business of yours. So when it comes to this business, I'm going to talk about a few things. One of the things I'm going to talk about is the first phase of what I help real clients do is the tax preparation part of it. You know what I'm saying? Where I help you with setting up the business. And there's 4 steps to that. Right now, the IRS has made it a little more difficult to even get your tax business set up, because the first phase of it is creating a secure account. And when it comes to creating a secure account, it's things on the financial list you must have one of to help you to do that. Either auto loan, credit card, mortgage, line of credit, or a student loan. And so that's how the IRS use that information to verify who you are, to let you create a secure account. So now you can log in, then we can help you set up your business credentials while we set up your secure account. And then from there, taking those business credentials, we have to wait a good week or maybe 2 at the most to be able to put those on the e-file application. And then from there, we can go set up your PTIN, which is a simple process, especially if you already filed a tax return. So if you got a tax return in the system within these last 3 years, we shouldn't have a problem with getting all these things taken care of. And so that's what I help you to get done, because the process and the workflow of making that happen for yourself is not easy. You know what I'm saying? The IRS don't give you step-by-step instructions on how to go here. They don't do that for you. That ain't their job. That ain't their agenda. So you got to get with someone who can direct you and guide you through the maze of getting your business started, where you're not going to step on landmines and blow yourself up and get frustrated and forget and decide just to give up on yourself, because you just can't get it on your own. And so if you just can't get it on your own, but you want it bad enough, you got a desire bad enough, you're hungry enough for it, then you want to get smart enough to realize, hey, I need to look and search and find someone who has a program in place who can help me with where I'm trying to go and where I'm trying to be with my life. And that's what it's really all about. Because see, coaches have coaches, mentors have mentors. You know what I'm saying? So you got to understand the concept of what people are trying to do when they're trying to improve their life, when they're trying to get a better lifestyle going on for themselves. It's called investing in you. And that's the process that you got to do from day one until you retire. You got to constantly invest in you to get where you're trying to go in life. And if you're not willing to do that, then you simply won't have a life. And that's fine with me, because that's your life. You know what I'm saying? I know what I want to be when I grow up. I know where I want to go when I grow up. I know the places I want to travel when I grow up. And so I'm working on those things by constantly investing in myself, by investing in other people. I got mentors. So if I got mentors, then you definitely need one to help you get you where you're trying to go. You know what I'm saying? And that's, unless you want to figure it out on your own and go through the heartaches and pains and making all the different type of mistakes that new business owners make just on GP, then go for it. I'm not mad at you. You know what I'm saying? But this program is designed to help you to eliminate all that. You know what I'm saying? So those are the 4 steps that I'm going to walk you through and reach out to you on day one. And when we connect over the phone, I'm going to ask you those questions. Do you have a credit card, auto loan, line of credit, mortgage, or student loan? Because I need to know that up front to see how difficult it's going to be to be able to create the secure account that you're going to need to be able to go through the rest of the process. Now, setting up the business credentials with no problem. The PTIN is no problem. The 2 main problems is the secure account, which is going to lead us to the e-file application. You know, the other 2 things I mentioned, they're a smooth process, but the secure account and the e-file application is no problem once we can get to the secure account. The secure account is the gateway to allow us to finish off the process of business credentials, e-file application, and PTIN. And then from there, if you're the person who needs to learn the tax preparation skills, then you'll already be in training for that. You already get weekly lessons that's going to show you what you need to be training on. Then we're going to do 2 live Zoom calls to go over the training, the questions you may have, the notes you've taken on the questions you may have. Then the next thing we'll do, as you start the tax preparation training process, if we'll have you, once you get your EFIN number accepted and completed and approved, then now you're positioned to go by the software and work with third-party banks. Now, I'm going to tell you what software I'm using. You don't have to use those. You have access to those for the training purposes, but if you feel Drake is too pricey, because it is, they got the pay-as-you-go version and they got the full version. Pay-as-you-go is $330 plus tax based on where you live at and what state. Full version right now is running about $1,500, but the price of the software is worth it to me, because my concept is I'd rather have user-friendly software, and the price point is not the issue. So when it comes to using user-friendly software, it might be expensive. You know what I'm saying? It might not be. It depends on how you see it, how well you're able to work around that. You know, I've been using all different types of software over my career, but Drake is the most user-friendly I've ever came across, and it can be considered pricey, but it's robust, and it's worth it because it has all the different type of returns you can do inside your career that you're going to run across by being in this industry. So when it comes to upgrading and expanding your business to different types of returns, you don't have to go buy another software package, because Drake has all of it. And so that's one of another bonuses of having a robust system like Drake, is that it has all the different types of software that you can ever run across when it comes to different type of returns. So another thing is, once we do that, we're gonna let you know what type of office supplies and equipment and tools and resources you're gonna need to work virtually. Because right now we're in a virtual zone. We're working from home for the most part. Some people might still be working from office. That's their option. But I'm strictly working from home. I'm strictly remotely. So the clients I service, they might live in my city, but they're not coming by to get their taxes done. I had about 5 people come by and sit with me who didn't have a problem with the COVID. You know what I'm saying? Because they wore a mask, I wore a mask. We've done what we needed to do to make it happen. But the majority of my clientele, they either send their stuff over through emails or fax or through a secure portal, and I got back with them and I sent them their signature pages over through DocuSign, and they signed off on everything they need to sign off on, and we finished the return out. For the people who need to pay me up front, they paid me. For the people who was paying through their refund, that's how they did it. And so everything went smoothly. And so that's how you're going to do it. But you need someone that's going to be able to walk you through and guide you through all that. Now, if you want to try to figure this out all by yourself, congratulations, go for it. I'm not mad at you. But if my money is on somebody who's willing to invest in themselves by investing in someone else who's already been there and done that. See, I'm so many levels ahead of you that it's your best interest to invest in somebody's program that's designed to work and help you get the results you're trying to get inside your business. And so another thing we talk about is teaching you basic marketing skills. And so those skills is going to allow you to learn some other, give you some other knowledge that you don't even know about, that's going to help you go out here and get clients. You know what I'm saying? So so much to my mentorship program that I help you do, other than teaching you the tax preparation skills, other than helping you get your business schedule set up. I have the full package on what you're going to need and what you're going to have to be successful in your tax preparation business. And so that's what you get working with me. You get the full deal, the full package. You get all the different types of resources and training you're going to have access to. Some of it is part of the mentorship program, and some of it you'll have to pay for it, because it's designed to help you get better. It's designed to help you go to a whole nother level. And so, like I said, from the time you invest in my program or anybody else's program, you got to constantly invest in you to keep getting better and to keep growing and to keep evolving and keep trying to get to where you're trying to go. Because the bottom line is, the person you need to become, you're not that person right now to be able to get to where you want to go right now. Because if you was, you wouldn't need mentorship, coaching, or consulting. You wouldn't need those type of services. You would be able to do that all on your own skill set, all on your own knowledge, all on your own know-how. You'll be able to do all that. You had that already in you. But since you don't have that in you, then you have to get that. You got to acquire that. You got to make that happen for yourself, like I did. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't born this way. I had to go out and learn these things. I had to come and acquire these things. These things have to become a part of you, but you have to make a conscious decision to go out and make it happen for yourself. So that's what my mentorship full service program is all about. And this 12-week course, minimum, is designed to give you the basic introductory skills to learn how to do tax preparation. And see, the thing that you don't understand is that as a result of that, as a result of working with me, when tax season come around, you got my hands-on support, and and you're gonna have skills and knowledge that's gonna help you go out there and get your ideal client that you want to work with, that's gonna do business with you based on your message, based on your flow, based on your vibe, based on who you are as a person. And those things gonna all play a role in you getting your clients, and that's the knowledge and the skills and the information that you're gonna get on top of everything else that this mentorship program offers you that a lot of people just don't have to get. And so, like I said, if you're ready to take action, I got the 3-day special. I'm doing my original price is $1,997, but I'm reducing it by $500 to $1,497. I'm doing a 4-month payment plan of $375. 3 months, like I said, 3-day special only. All that information will be in the description area, when it ends, when it starts, all that, you know what I'm saying? And if you need to know more, if you got certain questions or concerns, like a lot of my people do who call me up out of the blue from watching my videos, do that. Call me, pick my brain, qualify me to be the one that you want to work with, you know what I'm saying? Validate that I know what I know based on the information you already consumed about the videos that you may have watched already by getting me on the phone. And that's how you find out that I'm the real deal. And so when it comes to my full service mentoring program to start a successful tax service, the 3-day special from the day until the 12th. After the 12th, it goes back up to $1,997 with a 6-month payment plan of $350. And then, like I say, all the support and things you're gonna get is gonna be practice to help you be successful and profitable inside your business. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so every time I upload a video go live, you'll be notified as I constantly create content that's designed to showcase my knowledge and my skills and my passion around the industry I love of tax preparation, the career I love of tax preparation, the business I love of tax preparation is what I offer and what I bring to the marketplace to help you fast track your success, to starting a better business for you, to help you to improve your overall financial lifestyle for you. And if you got children and you want to be able to spend more time with them, then be able to work from home right now is the best way to go, especially having a business model that's lucrative. You know, the knowledge and skills that you're going to acquire within themselves are going to allow you to make the type of money you can never make at your job. It's just, that's the reality of it. I can make anywhere, I made $5,000 in one day, many times, many times in cash. That's what type of skill set we talk about you acquiring and growing and building on. You know what I'm saying? The skills, the knowledge that's going to allow you to make money just like that, because we're in an industry that has a demand for that. And if you got the knowledge and skills and some other things that go along with that to present to people in a strategic way, then you're going to outshine some people who don't have those skills, don't have the knowledge, don't have those other things that I bring to the table in my mentorship program that you're going to get to learn from. You know what I'm saying? To be able to go out here and get clients at will, because you learn how to do that, is an awesome feeling to have. To be able to grow and create a business and have a successful, profitable business based on you and the knowledge and the skills that you're acquiring, the knowledge and skills that you're building on, the knowledge and skills that you're growing within you to make you a better person, to make your business a better person, a better entity. It's an awesome feeling to have, to know that the business you have is inside of you, because you went out and got the knowledge and the skills, and you constantly growing on it, building on that. You know, I met a lady, I meet many people who take a basic tax course through Block, Liberty, or wherever they go, then they stuck. They ask, where do I go from here? Where do you go from here is you keep learning. That's where you go from here. All they did is give you an introduction to what this tax preparation business is all about. Where you go from here is you keep learning and learning, because what I'm going to teach you, you're not going to even retain 80% of it. So the way you're going to retain is you're going to keep learning, you're going to keep doing, learning, doing. And there's a process of doing it over time. It's going to stick with you. It's going to become part of your DNA. You're going to be able to answer questions on site. You're going to be able to help people with their tax needs. You're going to be able to help people with tax planning. You're going to be able to help people get the results inside their tax preparation situation that other people can't do for them, because they don't have the knowledge or the skills to make it happen. So when it comes to my full service mentoring program, that special ends on the 12th, starts today, the 10th through the 12th. Like I say, $14.97. Payment plan, 4 months, $375. If you're ready to take action, call me. My contact information inside of my video. Love to work with you, like to talk to you on the phone, like to educate you, and let you know right then and there what I'm working with when it comes to my knowledge and skills and where I'm at and where I'm headed. And I'll see you in my next video.